Guys, here is Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video gonna learn how to use the line chart element from WP Bakery WordPress Page Builder plugin in a simple, fast and effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in order to use internet on site's favor. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard and review the left sidebar of menus. I'm gonna assume that you already have your WP Bakery plugin, Page Builder WordPress plugin installed, okay, and working on your site. If you don't know how to do this, feel free to use the comment section so I can help you. After this, go to any page or post where you would like to apply your line chart, okay, the graphics. I'm gonna create a new page to make it simpler and show you the entire process, but of course you can edit a previously made page. If you are using WP Bakery, there is a button, okay, WP Bakery Page Builder. The page is gonna load just like this, and you're gonna click into this blue button, WP Bakery Page Builder. Now we have two options to play with, the back-end editor and the front-end editor. If you are familiar with Elementor, front-end editor is almost like Elementor, and the back-end editor is a classic mode, okay, the place where you can see the content to the back-end and you can preview the page to see the content into the front-end, okay. Now we have two options. We're gonna choose the back-end, and right here we have this is an empty page. Select the layout and start building. We have two options, blank page, good for landing pages without menus and footer, and theme layout, a page that gonna have your theme navigation menu, logo types and the footer navigation, okay. We're gonna use the theme layout, and now start by adding elements or templates. We're gonna click on add element, okay, this one with plus button. Now we have a couple of elements to play with. We're gonna scroll down, and next to the round chart that we have a video tutorial that I'm gonna leave a link in the description below and a card over here, we have the line chart, and this is the guide we are looking for today. Now I'm gonna just save the changes, hit the blue button to apply this element into the page, and let's preview the page. Go to the upper right corner of your screen and click on preview. This is gonna see a preview of your page, how your site's visitors gonna see the page. We have months, and we have 1 and 2, okay, we have two colors separating, okay. Now if you hover your mouse over the element, we can see three buttons, one to edit element, one to clone element, in the case I want to make other copies of this, and one to close, okay, that is the option to delete the element. I'm gonna click into this pencil icon to edit. Now we have a couple of designs. We have bar and line. Let me change for line so you can see. Choose the best options that suit your needs, okay. I'm gonna apply this widget in this element into a column now, okay, just to make it occupy less space of my screen. How to do this? As you can see, this widget, this element is inside a row, this option right here, this guy right here. Next to it we have this option to select columns, and we can apply, for example, 2 columns, okay, or we can apply a column with offsets just like this. Now I'm gonna click into the line chart, hold the button, drag and drop to the middle. Now we have 2 columns between the main column, so we're gonna occupy less space. Here is how it's gonna look like. We can make it smaller in the case that I want. Let me show you. Looks fancy now. Now let's focus into the line chart. We have a couple of styles, the flat, the modern and the custom. Let's move to modern and review. Looks fancy. Now we have the show legend option, show hover values, and the X values, okay, the X line, okay. Who is X? this line right here, okay? The one with the months, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, okay? In the case that you want to apply one more, just separate with this symbol right here, okay? And of course, you can change the legend in the way that you want. Now we have values. This is a very important part, okay? If you click into this toggle right here, this arrow, we can open the values. The title 1, right here. And here is the Y values and the color of the values. Imagine that you would like to change this color, for example, for a green one. Hit the Save Change button and let's preview. And here is the results we got, okay? Let's go back to the edit. Now imagine that you would like to apply a new line. No problem, you can apply a new line. I'm gonna copy from the previous one to save some time. I'm gonna click into this plus button to have a new line. Important thing, you need to enter a title. Can be, for example, 3. Now we're gonna change the X values. And we can change the color, maybe orange. Let's review the results we got. Now we have 1, 2, and 3 columns, okay? And if you hover, you can see the values. It's perfect for graphics, okay? What else I can do? Let's click it in. We can change the animation. We can apply some CSS animation. We can apply extra classes for CSS, apply some element ID, and use the design options to apply padding, margin, buttons, okay? Let's preview. And here is our graphic. Simple, easy, and looks fancy, okay? Now do yours and let me know into the comment section below in the case that you need any help, and it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Visualmodo borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor or Gutenberg, or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that can start to customize your site in the way that you want, or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, for Sites.gallery, a CSS gallery where you can promote your site, your app, your landing pages, or game designs, okay? And finally, in the case that you want to go premium while doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium blocks, assets, tools, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!